advisors in the Air Force headquarters now for many years, advising them what is legal and what is not legal. And by the way, the decision is always that of the reasonable commander. And I think Israel has completely complied with the rules of warfare here. If you're attacked from rockets, you can shoot back. International law is not a recipe for suicide, as a U.S. Secretary of State once said, and Israel was perfectly entitled to shoot back, which we did.
Right. Now, let's look at some of the specifics. This issue, for example, of this building that housed international media outlets has gotten a lot of focus, even though no one was killed. We have to stress, nobody was killed in that particular airstrike. It's questions about whether that was a legitimate target or not.
If it was a purely civilian building, it would not be a legitimate target. However, from what I understand from the army, there were Hamas military installations in the building, in which case it turns it into a legitimate target. The only question would be, were there disproportionate civilian casualties? And as you've pointed out, Israel took the unusual step of warning them that we were going to attack, and the civilians evacuated the building.
Now, as we've said it, and I think we've